.6-liter V6 engine, which produces 310 horsepower with a 9-speed automatic transmission. So here we see a very easy to use infotainment screen that I can use with my fingers. Of course, there is the rotary controller here as well. So if I'd like to interact with the screen this way, I can do that. And there are voice commands that I could be using as well. As we move along here, we're going to notice the authentic materials, including real wood and a carbon trim as well. Here we also see the available Bose Performance Series speakers. I'd like to point out the available rear camera mirror. So as I'm trying to look back there, we can see my colleague right now, but ultimately this is a 6 to 7 passenger vehicle. There could be a lot of people's heads in the way, even cargo. So just by flicking this switch, there she is, more vivid now. We have a live stream of the road behind us, so I can change the brightness. I can even change the different zooms that we see and get a good look at her teeth. There we are. Fantastic. Heading into the cargo area, there is of course the button that we can use here, but it does have a hands-free power liftgate, so I can just swipe my foot very easily to have access into my cargo space. We've set up some golf clubs here so that you can see the amount of space that we have. Plenty of room here, still very deep to be able to get some driver heads in, and all 4 of the seats can be knocked down from here. So I can just press any of these buttons to be able to knock these down. As we see it right now with the available captain's chairs in the second row, we can of course get a bench there if we wanted to as well. As we see the high roof line in the vehicle, we can notice that there is plenty of third row headspace. The version of the vehicle we're looking at right now is the Premium Luxury, which gives us a Galvano chrome grille to go along with Galvano chrome accenting around the window surround, roof rails, and door handles. The Sport version would give us a black gloss mesh grille and black trim along the roof rails, window surround, and body colored door handles. The tail lamps in the Premium Luxury are red, and on the Sport, they would be clear. We're also noticing here the standard 20-inch wheels. The Sport version offers a available 21-inch wheel.